People now make statements like, you know, we're begging for money, we are thirsty. But why is it that Jackie or any other American YouTubers, we collaborate with a brand and you're willing to dash them your money, you're willing to buy their product, you're willing to go out of your way just so you support them, but you cannot support like your fellow Nigerian YouTuber with 300 naira? I don't know if you guys Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nelo here, coming at you today with a very fresh face, like no wig, no makeup, nothing, because I am actually in the car. I just finished running some errands and yeah, I have a little rant, okay, and I just need to rant just a little bit. There's a big truck coming behind me. Anyways guys, so today's video is just about like discussing with you guys in depth what it actually takes to be a Nigerian YouTuber. And this video was inspired by the video Diana Ekweme put out last night, and by the way, we collaborated on a video which should be up very soon, so you guys should keep an eye out. I don't know, some of you already should know who she is. She put out a video last night just trying to explain to people because there was just a little bit controversy on her channel, and I'm going to link the video down below if you want to watch that video to understand what I'm talking about in this video. Basically she was just trying to tell people that when YouTubers ask for support, it doesn't mean we're begging for money, because someone made one comment on her channel and a lot of people agreed with the comment by liking the comment, and I'm just here to break it down for you guys, okay? This is what it actually takes to be a Nigerian YouTuber. I wrote down some points here just because I don't want to be forgetting anything. And okay, let me just start. Let's start from the first things first. Pay. When it comes to making money on YouTube, Nigerian YouTubers don't make a whole lot of money. Like she said in her video, the average amount of money people get per 1,000 views is about $3, and if you know what $3 is like 1,200 naira. Is even up to 1,100 naira or something. That little is nothing, is literally nothing, and you need a whole 1,000 views to get something as little as $3. So how a lot of YouTubers actually make money in Nigeria is not even from the money that comes from YouTube, is actually from sponsorships and working with brands and all that kind of good stuff. But wait, I'll still get to that part later. But still talking about the money part. So I mean, some of us are lucky, we accumulate views every month, and you know, the money at the end of the day just adds up, you know. So like I have some old videos that are still making me a whole lot of money, and the new ones not making me so much money. Like you can have videos that will have 10,000 views and you can make $5 from that video because people didn't watch ads, people were skipping ads, and you know, like people just didn't engage as much. Then again, you can have a video with 2,000 views with a lot of engagement and you're making like $20 or a lot of money from that video. So that is how this YouTube money works. So when it comes to like making money from YouTube, we really don't make a whole lot, okay? Another thing I want to talk about is like, okay, when it actually comes to what it takes to be a Nigerian YouTuber, and I emphasize on Nigerian because it's not the same as people living in other countries. People living in abroad, they have it easy. They're in an economy where the system works. They're in an economy where things go as it should, in an economy where they have 247 lights. You people know how it is in this country. For example, like my filming equipment, for example, the camera I'm using to shoot this video is my Canon G7X Mark II, which I bought $800 from Amazon. $800 is almost 300,000 naira, and that's just equipment. You've not talked about those that transform their whole room. They'll buy the camera, they'll do backdrops or buy backdrops, buy props, ring lights, all the other things, money that they spend to actually create good content to entertain the subscribers and the viewers that watch their video, because this is our job. And when you're doing your job, we want to do it well. If you have a 9 to 5, you want to impress your boss, you want to do it well. The same way we're trying to put out content that our subscribers enjoy watching, for us to be able to like make a good living, you know, from what we put out. So that being said, you have to consider again that we live in Nigeria, okay? Nigeria is a country where there is never light. For example, anytime I film in the afternoon, I normally film in the afternoon because my kids are in school then, and I don't like to film when they're around because they disturb me a lot. So when I'm filming in the afternoon, they're in school, and most of the time there's no light in the afternoon. I normally have an inverter, but it's spoiled, and now we have to replace it, and it's going to cost a whole lot because we want to do solar and all those things. Well over 1 M is a lot of money, and we're not ready to spend that kind of money right now. So right now we're staying without an inverter. So I use Gen a lot, and at the end of the day, anytime I have to film in the afternoon and there is no light, which 80% or 90% of the time there is no light, I have to put on the Gen, and I use a diesel Gen, and that is money, okay? That is money we are using to create this content. These are things that you people don't know or you people don't get to see. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. I've seen people like rant about being a YouTuber in Nigeria, but this is actually more than a rant. This is not just ranting. This is me actually explaining things so that you people understand. It's so bad that I'm literally parked by the side of the road making this video. That is how much it really touched me to make this video. But anyways, I have to put on the generator, and everything is diesel. Diesel is not cheap. 10 liters of diesel is 2,500 naira or 2,000 something. It's like 2k something, and that is about what I burn to just film a video, just so that my video is clear and my content is good. That's removing the other like factors, the other things that I've spent money on. Again, you know, people say things like, okay, review this place, go to this place, can you review this makeup brand for us, can you try this out and let us know, you know, things like that. I'm very okay with doing all those things. Like, I'm just fortunate that I can afford these things, and I consider myself very, very fortunate. I won't even lie. I know I'm very lucky to be able to afford all these things. I have a very supportive husband who is doing well for himself, so affording these things is not a problem for me. But for the average Nigerian, it's a problem to afford a whole lot of things. So for someone that this is their job, and you know, people give requests, you know, review this place, do this or do that, it's money. If I'm going to review even one foundation, it probably costs like 7,000 or something. That's already money. And you put up that video and, you know, people don't watch it, or it just doesn't do well. So at the end of the day, it's like you're in the business of losing money, if you get what I mean. It's almost like buy and sell. You know, you buy the product to market it to people, hoping that you make money back, but at the end of the day you don't, so you've actually lost some money. So that's actually how it is sometimes when it comes to this YouTube. We actually invest a whole lot of money. Someone like Diana, she travels to different states to create good content for people. Like, I see comments where people say, oh, go to Owerri, go to Onitsha, go to this, and she actually goes to those places to she actually makes great content. I love her videos because she's very down to earth and she's just very realistic and so easy to relate with. I relate with her so much, which a lot of you guys actually relate with her, because I see her comment section and her supporters. So all those things are money, and actually time, stress, energy. She enters transport, public transport, she goes to these places, and at the end of the day, yeah, another thing I want to talk about is support. When it comes to support, we Nigerians find it very hard to support each other, especially like to support like Nigerian influencers, in the sense that Jackie Aina, for example, will collaborate with Elf, or you know, Alicia Ashley will collaborate with what's that brand, any brand, for example. We go out of our way, all the way from Nigeria, to buy those products from America, ship it to Nigeria, look for someone coming back. We literally do anything to support those people that we like. But then someone like Dinah comes out and says, you know, support me in this way. This is the way that if you want to support me now, you can do it. You know, that video she made was about her Patreon account. You know, it's an account where people can just choose to support their like YouTubers they like or influencers they like by pledging a certain amount of money every month, just to help them create good content. It's not by force. And then people now make statements like, you know, we're begging for money, we are thirsty, you know, you're going to lose your subscribers. But why is it that Jackie or any other American YouTubers, we collaborate with a brand and you're willing to dash them your money, you're willing to buy that product, you're willing to go out of your way to get your hands on that thing, just so you support them, but you cannot support like your fellow Nigerian YouTuber with 300 naira. I don't know if you guys see what I'm trying to say here. Like, it's not by force to support, but you don't have to insult the people supporting or insult the YouTuber asking for support. Because Jackie them, I bet almost every single video they do is sponsored by a brand. They are being paid to do that video. That is why they're putting out that good content. They are being paid, they are doing their job well, they are getting jobs, they are being paid to create their content. They have the money and they like to actually get what it takes to create good content. It's not the case here for us, you guys. It's really not the case. And then when it comes to brands in Nigeria, like, I just give up sometimes. I've had brands that, let's say they sell foundation or they sell makeup, you know, they want you to work with them and they will send you makeup of like you know, 10,000 naira, what 10,000 naira, and you know, tell you to make a video, and you know, just make the video for them. You know, we don't have a lot of money now, at least the exposure will be good for you. Am I going to pay my bills with exposure? Let me just ask you that. Like, am I going to feed my children with exposure? You're not paying me, but I'll make that video, and a few thousand people will watch that video, and among that few thousand people, you're going to get a few customers that will patronize you, and at the end of the day, you're making hundreds of thousands on my head, but you're not willing to pay me for my job. Is it even fair? Like, I find it so unfair when brands do that, and it just pisses me off these days. Sometimes when they just tell me things like that, I just stop replying. I don't even reply again, because I don't want to be rude, because this is my job, so I try not to be rude. But it's very insulting. You guys are insulting our craft and taking advantage, and it's not good. It's really not good. Sometimes they now underprice you. They want to pay you 10k 20k to market something of like 100k for them, and then people buy it and they make millions or something, and they end up paying you 20k for that. Because you know, a lot of Nigerian YouTubers, we actually don't know what we are worth. Sometimes we look down on this job so much in Nigeria. I am more likely to buy something because a fellow YouTuber recommended it. You guys, my phone rang. I can't even remember what I was saying, but I think I was talking about brands taking advantage. You know, it's not fair. It's not fair. You guys, we're your people. We're your fellow Nigerians. Support us the way you want us to help people support you. Support us that way, okay? And then when it comes to even fellow like subscribers supporting YouTubers, it's so difficult. Like, it's just so difficult. They don't see us like we're actually doing a job. They see this like a hobby. But at the end of the day, it's a hobby, but it's a paying hobby. It's our source of income. Is how we are able to feed our families. For some people, it's their only job. There's some people, like someone like, you know, Dima Ome, for example. She's an influencer, and that is her job. Sisi Emi is an influencer, and that is her job. Like, it's not like they have a store somewhere or they have a business or a 9 to 5. No, that is their job. So when you're not taking them that serious, when you're not taking us serious, when you're just trying to, you know, underprice us and just take advantage, is not fair. You guys, it's really not fair. So when a YouTuber does something and you like that person, just support the person. The same thing as supporting your friend that has a business. Like, I support my friends that, you know, have businesses. It's really the same thing. And I know I have friends that really support like this, my YouTube, like Ginika, that my friend that has the Yili footwear. You guys, she's amazing. I think she's my biggest supporter. Ginika Loki watches every single video. She even chats me up about it. Like, be like Ginika, okay? Like, sometimes all it takes is just to watch a video, watch the ads. Really, you don't have to go the extra mile. But for those that want to go the extra mile, there are other things you can do to support, like, you know, your favorite YouTubers. Like, personally, I don't really have any way now, which is fun. Like, all I need you guys to do now, just watch my videos and show support on my videos. But there are some YouTubers that have other ways, like when they collaborate with brands, or, you know, their Patreon account, or any way it is. You know, if you can just support, it's really, like, is for me, I don't think it's really that much of a big deal. It's the same thing as American YouTubers asking us to buy products because they collaborated with the brand, because at the end of the day, they get a percentage of that sale. So for everybody that buys that product, you're literally just giving them money. So why is it hard for us to support each other here in Nigeria? Even some Nigerian YouTubers, we don't even support each other. You know, it's just like, support is something we lack in this country. And I know that some of you really support me. I know genuinely I have amazing supporters. I know that for sure. But I'm just saying, generally speaking, okay, you guys. Now, and another thing is that there is also the security factor when it comes to being a YouTuber in Nigeria. We carry our cameras, our vlogs. Some of us vlog with phones when we're out in the market. The fear of somebody snatching your phone and running away and you running after them. Like, the security in this country is crappy. We all know that. But those are the risks we have to take to create the content that we create, plus all the insults that we receive. Madam, you cannot vlog here, what's that, blah blah blah, all those kind of things. We just go through all that to create this content. So imagine the joy that it gives us when people actually support. So these are some of the things it actually takes to be a YouTuber here in Nigeria. Some of the very few things. I know there are a lot more challenges that people have, you know, when it comes to being a YouTuber. You know, when you're going out, even vlogging in random places, transportation is a problem, inflation is a problem. Like, everything really is a problem in this country. So please, you guys, support any way you can. The small upcoming YouTubers, myself included, people with 100 subscribers, 200, 300, just support them. Subscribe, like, share their video. We say that in all our like videos, but I know some people still watch and go. But if you can, please just subscribe, please like, comment, all those things. They actually, like, they add up, they mean something to us. Even Jackie with like 3 million subscribers is still asking people to subscribe and like and comment and all that. So who am I not to asking people to subscribe to my channel? Please, even if you have watched this video till now and you're not subscribed, please just subscribe to this channel, okay? I am begging you. Anyways, that's what I wanted to come out here and just rant a little bit about. I wanted to just come and explain to you guys what it actually takes, some of the things it takes. I'm sure I've missed a whole lot of things, but these are some of the challenges I face. So if you're a YouTuber and you face some other challenges, please let me know in the comment section. Like, what is your biggest challenge when it comes to being a YouTuber here in Nigeria? Let's discuss. Maybe we'll come up with a solution or find out a way to actually help each other. So let me know what your biggest challenge is. What do you think your subscribers could do more? How do you think we, as you know, the community, can help you? Just let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I am sorry for ranting, but I just had to. I'm even making this video. I don't even have laptop to use and edit it too. I'm going to collect my laptop from where they're repairing it. I hope they were able to repair it. I'm sure going there now. And yes, hope you guys are having a good day, or hope you guys had a good day, depending on what time of the day you're watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.